It's canines are here yet. Hi, Curtis. Guys, we were supposed to, well, we actually tan, but we were supposed to go to the beach. We might go take pictures soon.
Do you want to?
Should we?
And go outside and we can record us.
But where? Hi, Matthew.
At the brick wall, just where we were.
Like in front of the door?
Yeah, or just on the wall.
Okay. Thanks, Justin. Hi, Joel. Bro, I have hiccups. I look too sad. Like, I look like I've been crying. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Elise. Oh my god. These y'all are baddies. Thanks, Curtis. Thank you. Oh my god, I have such bad hiccups.
Bro, my voice is...
Thank you, Abby. Thank you, Connor. Hey, Dawn. Bro, thank you, London. Why are y'all just in bikinis? Because you were just tanning. We still might even go to the beach.
Yeah, we might still be getting back to the beach. Do you want me to
thanks for the dolphin. Thanks for the Minecraft. Oh my god, like, I have such bad hiccups. Peeling. I don't want to show it, but, like, it's so bad. I'm, like, bleeding right there. I might have some bleeding. Brown is fighting with my sister.
Who's your sister? Yes.
Probably tanned enough for now. No, I'm not tanned enough. And it made me whiter. And, like, the reason we came in is because my legs, like, have boils all over them.
Ugh.
Hey. Hi, Gio. Oh my gosh. Like, I'm not done. How warm is it in Celsius? It's not even that warm. It's, like, really... it's really windy. Like that. Chug a bottle of water.
I probably need to. I don't think we have bottled water.
Oh my god, like, it's not stopping. Thank you. Thanks for the rose. That's my best friend. Oh my, like, I'm shaking. Do you feel it? Giving us the stare of doom. Sorry. Thank you, Marissa. Thank you, Aiden. Thank you.
They're introducing.
No. Yeah, you can get digits for Galaxy. Guys, what should we do? Will you text me? Yeah. Hi, Julian. Both themes. What? Y'all look Southern Brazilian girls? What does that mean? Remember what happened last time?
Oh, you know, you remember that one dance? Why is everything curly?
No. Bella a bum?
Who said that?
Hey, hi, Justin. Oh my god, thank you.
Who said Bella a bum?
I don't know. It's the guy that always tells us to get BP.
Oh.
Why is it all good in abroad and not in the UK? There are baddies in the UK. Because we're old enough. Thank you. Ken, how long were you on for? You guys are so gorgeous. Thank you, Paisley. You pregnant? No. What the fuck?
Mhm.
What, Gabe?
It's not good.
How long is your hair? It's not that long. Thank you, Sarah. Thank you. Hi, Leela.
We're seniors. Thank
you,
you.
Sherwin. I really need a gift card.
Someone please DoorDash
Love you.
us.
Oh,
Kaya!
we miss you, Kaya.
Bro, Kaya, come over.
You guys go swimming? No, we were just tanning.
I want to go swimming.
It's like kind of hot outside. I mean, it's like hot, but it's like, what's it
Windy.
called? Windy. Has all the girls on the left ever dyed her hair? Me? No. Hi, Ben. Thank
Kinley
you.
just has natural highlights.
I think I should maybe get my, like, more of those highlights. Like, not blonde, but, like, kind of goldish.
Like how you have it now.
Yeah, but, like, just more of them. Ain't you cheat on my homeboy? Who's your
Yeah, you have a
homeboy?
boyfriend.
You know, I can see how many. Yo, who's your homeboy? You know. Neither of us have ever cheated before. And which one are you talking to? Like. Thank you, Nevaeh. Levi is the homeboy. I never dated Levi. I never even talked to Levi. Chase? Who's Chase? Y'all would look so pretty with the nose ring. Hi, Leela. Thank you. Hi, Michaela.
I think it'd make me look.
I think I would look ghetto. Like, I think I would look like younger and ghetto. The guy you cheated on. I don't know who Chase is. Y'all are pale.
Well, we have a
Thanks.
fake tan. We're just gonna trying to get more.
Thank you. Alright. I'm used to. She on my homeboy Chase me, and I have no idea who Chase is.
They're
Everyone's
not
mean to us
popular.
at school.
No one at our school likes us.
Everyone hates us. Thank you. Hi, Kaden. Kenley, what's your opinion on turtles? I don't know. Thank you, Hazel. I can tell. Tell what? Why is... Oh my god.
They just, I don't
No,
know.
not turtles. I look like I'm about to cry. My eyes just got super, like, dry. How's your head? Bro, they're going so fast. Wait, what? Is because you're geeks? I'm not geeks. Oh, Bella, you have very pretty eyes. Why do they hate us? Because they're all mean.
If we don't do anything, they just don't like us.
No, they really don't like us. Little Sky Breeze. Someone told me that I looked like, I don't know who you're talking about too, but someone told me I look like Sky Breeze. I know. They're all, bro, people just like to be mean. Bro, we have a restriction, so we're losing a lot of our viewers, but this is so awkward. What do you want us to do? Like, just tell us what to do and we can do it, but like, also guys, sorry if I don't like respond to anything. It's like really hard. It's Kenley Perry. That's it. Aiden White in the chat.
Hi, Aiden White. Put on clothes? No.
Girl, then get out. Like, you don't have to be in here.
Baddie with her baddie friends.
Invite sent. I just invited someone. I didn't mean to.
Thank you. Someone just said we were pale.
Do you...
No.
We can go with them. Hey. Hi. Oh.
Hi.
Bye. I did. That's a girl I accidentally requested. I didn't mean to. My nose looks so, like, bad. Dollar boards, thank you. 850s. How? What does that mean?
Guys, stop asking if we do that.
Hi, Rebecca. Are you getting swimming? No, we just do. You can just tell they do. Do what? What do you use to curl your hair? We both use this. It's from Bedhead. What did you guys DoorDash?
Nothing, but we want to DoorDash. So if anyone wants to...
Dry towel, by the way. This isn't a towel, by the way.
This is a blanket.
Crying. Bro, like, it's always, like, y'all are hating for no reason. Like, it was never this serious. We're not even showing anything. Our whole, like, my leg is fully up, and you can see that I'm wearing a bathing suit, but that, like, you're not seeing anything. Except my arms. I'm with... You saw that?
Or...
And look, you sent it, but it's... Like, you guys, lip combo? The lip combo... Oh, shit, ask, but... It's like the lip stain, the statue one. Because we were swimming. Like...
I'm taller by like 2 inches.
Cash App? Just showing what are we doing? We're not doing anything. What's your eye color? Her eyes are like really blue. Swimming my eye. Can we not? It's it's hot outside. Yeah, wait, that's what she meant. Thank you, Sherwin.
Thank you.
Getting cold toes. Tattoo, we had one. Oh my, you can see how bad I'm feeling. Would you date someone who's 5'7" or yeah? I feel like it doesn't really matter as long as they're taller than me. I don't really care.
Kenley and me are like not even tall at all. Like if someone's 5'7", they'd be 7 inches taller than me.
Yeah. Ow, my eyes are getting like really dry again. We just were swimming. We might go back. So we might go to the beach. I'm 7'2". That's like almost too tall. That's like 2 feet taller than me.
What?
That's 7 feet tall is over 2 feet taller than me. 7'2". I don't think I can do that. Can you wish Ken happy birthday, please? Happy birthday, Ken.
Kenny boy.
I'm 4'11". We use the hula.
She is not 4'11".
I'm 4. Hi, Eli. No one's tongue is blue. Are you a senior? Yeah. 4'11". Tickle left. She's not tickling me. Wifey height. Go up. Put it up. How tall is Bella? She's like my height.
I'm 5 feet. Well, actually, at the doctor, they told me I was 4'11". If I'm 4'11",
but there's no way because they told me I was 4'11". My permit or. My license says 4'11". I'm 6'1".
Oh my god.
Exposed? Was that
you know Jaden's aunt is Miss Sophia? Like Jaden, the one that hangs out with Genevieve and all them. And like Presley, and she has the red and black hair.
Oh yeah, yeah.
And she dated
masculine look.
Thank you. How are you gonna tell us?
How are you gonna tell me what I am and I'm not? Y'all know Anna K. Hi, Camden. pretty sure you're wrong. I'm 18. Like, you said, everyone trying to say, like, how old I am. Y'all sound dumb. Like, no one knows how old I am except me. My birthday was in January. No correlation, what? So, yes, bro, thank you, 10. Everyone's trying to hate on me, bro. Hey, sorry guys, it's so hard. Like, it's giving me so many notifications. No, I'm a senior. Like, Miley, why are you in here just saying stuff about people? Like, no one knows who you are. And you don't know us either. I have my license. I'd show it, but I can't, so. Hi, Grant. Give me mod. Wait, let me see if I can look in Snap. Wait, how do I make mods again?
I don't remember.
Settings. Wait, 10. Okay, I just made you one. Miley's comeback. I've been waiting for you. Sorry, guys, I'm not. No, I'm making mods because everyone's being, like, annoying. You don't even have to be nice, just don't be annoying. No, they're so annoying. And who is Josie? Who is Josie? Because why do you keep saying that name?
Josie Grisham?
No. Favorite color? Probably pink. Fun fact, you might think. Favorite brand? Why is everyone spamming Adrian? Thank you, Camden. Sorry, hi, Levi. Sorry, I was gonna answer something, but... Oh, favorite brand? I don't know. I like a lot of different brands. I like Garage. I get all my bathing suits from Shein. Thank you for the rose. That, like, looks like a different rose from other ones. Dude, I don't know what that is. I think I've, like, heard... Is that a brand? No, I'm not on vacation. Bro, the more I stare, the more, like, my eyes are just getting drier. What bronzer do you use? I use the Hua Beauty bronzer. That one was a rose gold. Wait, what? And the bronzer is the Hua bronzer. And I think it's the darkest shade. Yeah, I'm Christian. And
I already knew you were looking at me.
because
I can sense it.
I don't know who that is. I have our spring break was last week. Be comfortable. How are you that tan, bro? I'm not even tan. Like, I was tanner than this, and then I started peeling so bad. You live by a beach? Yeah, I live pretty close. Hi, Christian. Now, your lash. I use lashes. It's the B&Q ones. And I did 12, 14, 12, 10, 8. You're welcome. And I use like the longer bands because they do have the shorter ones, but I use the longer band or like band. And my last math is 17, 3, 14. Like, you're trying to be funny. Like, you just sound stupid. Okay. No, I don't play lacrosse. And y'all aren't funny. Like, you sound dumb. Like, you're sitting here being mean to people that don't even know who you are. Like, no one knows you. Like, I see you spamming Adrian. I don't know why you're doing that. I'm not being mean. I didn't even say any names. I just said, like, you're embarrassing. Thank you. I use this one.
Can I turn music on tonight?
Who's Adrian? POV embarrassing. I'm not even, like, I'm not the one that's doing embarrassing things. I'm a senior. This is the blush I use. I'm with my friend Bella. She's in, like, all my TikToks. Just blocking me. I don't even, like, care enough to block them, though. Bro. I'm 18. Hi, Allie. Yo, your room design is cool. Thanks. I just redid it. Dude, y'all blocked me before, probably because you were being annoying. But she's probably, like, someone go look at her account for me. I use sunscreen sometimes when I feel like I'm, like, burning. Like, when y'all spam, like, I see it. Like, most time I just am choosing not to answer. Sometimes I don't see it, but, like, if you're being annoying, spamming the same thing over and over, that, like, obviously, like... Unkind, why do you block, like... Thanks. I actually just got this, and I think it's been working, so I don't know. But I'm also peeling really bad, so, like, I can't really tell exactly what's working and what's not. But I did also use the keratin, but that's when I got super burnt, and, like, that's the whole reason. Well, that's, like, not that, but, like, I was just... You tried the shea butter? No, I haven't used that. I bet. You're welcome. Do you play softball? Yeah. Oh no, I might have to end the live.
What happened?
Nothing, but everyone's... Well, actually, stop texting me on Snap. I said no. Your eye... Thanks. Yeah. Some people say my like eyes are like gray, but like I feel like they look green. But like sometimes in the like what or lighting in the lives does make it look kind of different. You got lipstick on your tongue? No, I don't. I don't have lipstick on. Thank you. Would you ever get a chest tattoo? Probably not a chest one. I want a spine tattoo, and then I want a root tattoo. And I kind of like the ones that are like right here. Like I just don't know how much I'd like that. No, me and Bella had like kind of like one, but.
Be what?
So nice if we had a tattoo.
Mine's gone.
So is mine. Like, it's completely gone. It vanished in one day. Thank you, Jazzy. Yeah, they're gone. My eyes are, like, burning so bad. Thank you. You're gonna go to college? Yeah. My man gets lucky every day. I don't have boyfriend. Things gone. Go to ASU.
Bro, like, I can't stop touching my hair.
I always touch my hair. Everyone makes fun of me for it. You make fun of me for it. You used to. Thank you for the roses. Oh my god, there's been 4.3k people. We've gotten 200 followers.
You've gained 200 followers?
Yeah.
Did you end it?
It lets me see it though. Ow, my eyes are burning. Should we go take pictures? Who is it? Hey, bro, so I'm doing something right now. What, bro? Sure. He probably knows me. If it's because I'm on live, I'm about to end it. So.
You're on live?
Bonjour.
Are you funny for me?
No. No. It's like gone. Can I hear my DM? Re-DM me, I'm sorry. Yeah.
Ready to go to the park?
No. I already told Mom I wasn't going. Grandma Sunday. No, I don't have one. I'm gonna get one so bad, but like I'm scared to dive, like during softball, and then it rip out, and then there's like the hole. Hey, are people actually bullying you at school? Yes. Okay, I'll add you on Snap. Are you in a bikini? You play guitar? No, my dad does. You should smile more. Oh, I do smile, but
when people bully Kimberly, she doesn't smile.
Like, I just feel awkward. Like, I feel like I smile a lot, but like, especially like I'm staring at the screen. Like, I feel like I can't just like
sit there and just
like how I can't just sit here and smile. Like, I have to be like talking and smile, or like someone says something that makes me smile. Why do you get bullied, if I may ask? Because everyone at my school is weird. They all like hate me. All the guys hate me, and but like my school's like really small, and like a lot of people that go there like don't smile. too. But what's it called? There's like only like 20 people, maybe our whole grade, maybe not even that much.
Yeah, like 17.
Yeah, and like a lot of them, there's like a few girls, and then all the guys are like weird, and they tried talking to us, and we told them no. You wear a skirt in school. I think I've worn a skirt once. And is it a private school? Yeah. But like the only reason I go to it isn't because it's a private school. Like it's only because their hours. Because their hours are only Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, and like it's Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, and then it's also only from 9 to 1. So like I would much rather do this than go to school every day for 8 hours. For what? The school is so peak, but most people are annoying. Yeah. Yeah, it's 3 days a week. Brainish, I'm in neither. But I want to go to your school, yeah. But a lot of it, like, everyone there is, like, I wish it was, like, the school, like, if I wasn't going to that private school, I wish all the people that were going, that, like, go to the other school went there. And then I think it'd be fun. But also, we're not allowed to have our phones, but.
You might have to go to, what's it called?
Tate, are you a loner in school? I just don't like any of them. They all annoy me, so I don't talk to them. But I also like rarely go to school. I've been to school like 3 times.
I went once this whole month.
Yeah. And anytime I go there, I'm like an hour late. Sometimes even.
But I did work. I sat there and did work for like 2 hours.
Bro, but it's so hard for me to do work even when I do go because I don't.
You're at 26.
Hi, Kenley, miss you. That's what this year said. Hi, Dusty.
Dusty?
Mm-hmm.
Hi, Dusty.
Wait, Bella.
I forgot.
Bro, I wanted to go to the beach today. I was able to, but then I wasn't able to go to. It was so late, so then I just tanned. And it's dark? What do you mean?
Oh, look at this. You want to copy this?
No. I don't like that. What's your GPA? It's a 4.0. Are you getting to college? Yes. We don't have lunch. They don't let us eat there. Unless it's our first period, but I'm never there. Yeah, the only class there is no lunch, and I can, like, I know 4.0. I did not mean 0.40. Do you walk by yourself? It's like, we don't really have to walk. So, like, it's kind of weird. But yeah, no, I don't like anyone there. How do you, if you don't show up? Because I still do my, like, I already finished basically all my work. There's no reason for me to show up. I can't do a flip.
Why is Dusty calling me?
Kenley, did you buy followers?
Dusty?
No. I used to actually like some videos.
Yes.
Hi, live.
Guys, it's Dusty. Why do they hate you? Because they're mean.
Dusty, I'm trying to make TikToks right now.
Hey, remember me? I feel
Love
you. Just a little what? I saw you at Target. You said that, but then I looked at your profile and I don't think you did. So I don't think I talked to you. So you really just, I was too gullible. Bro, someone please cash at me. I'm so hungry. I want DoorDash. And I have to pee so bad. What do the girls do to be mean? Well, one time it was this girl who's, like, so much older than me. This wasn't, like, at school, but, like, it has to do with it. And then it was this girl, and then it was, like, 3 girls in our grade, or, like, 2. and then there was like 5 guys in our grade. Like basically the whole, like everyone in the class but us, and then one of the girls' older sisters that's like 4 years older than us. They all were like talking about us, saying that what did they say about us, Bella? Okay, she's busy right now. Hi Chandler, did you get your phone back? But basically
Chandler! I miss
What's
you
it
so
called?
much, Chandler, and I love you so much.
What's it called? What did they say about us, Bella?
They said that we look like tigers.
Yeah, they said we have like orange and white streaks on our face. Like they were being so rude. And they said way more too. And they're all racist. Like everyone there is racist. Did you get? You weren't even grounded for that long.
What did he say?
He said hi, Kenny and Bella.
He's ungrounded?
We love you. I probably.
What did he say?
Well, actually, there's someone. What's it called? He just said hi, Kenny and Bella.
No, say hi, Bella.
I'm still grounded. Bro, why? Well, I know why, but like, how many TikTok followers do your boys have? All of them together don't even have as much as I have. They're all weird. Like, a lot of them don't even have TikTok. Like, they don't have any.
What?
Everyone in our grade, like, and they're mean. It's not that they're weird, it's that they're mean, and they think they're so cool, and they're really just weird. So I don't talk to anyone at school. Yeah, I do. Like, sorry guys, my mom called me. Okay, but I might get off soon. Galaxies give me like no money. They give me maybe $3. Can do you fuck with Rosalind? Yeah, that's my friend. But like when I say I don't like anyone at school, that's not what I mean. Like I don't like anyone in my class. Like I like Rosalind, I like Raylan, but like I don't hang out with them at school. No, and now that I'm remembering it, you're the kid that bullied me, but you took a picture with me not that long ago. Like yesterday, 2 days ago. And you used to bully me too, bro. You said that my mom, you said that my mom's ugly and I'm ugly. That's weird. Hi, Armand. Armand's in here.
Hi, Armand.
Hey, Cutler. What's up? What does that mean? Hi, Reagan. I'm pretty sure that was you. Can I make me a mod, please? Hey, Bella. You didn't say hi, Bella and Kim. You said hi, Bella. Armand. Oh, you're going to get restricted. It was Daniel. Well, no, what's it called? Raylan and Rosalind told me that you told me, or that you were talking to them and you were saying that I was ugly, and so was my mom. It's like, why is my mom catching strays? She didn't even do anything. You've never even seen my mom. Hi. Guys, I redid my room and it's so much cleaner. There's my bed. There's my door. Okay, I can't show the rest, but there's not even much more. It's just my mirror. But hi, Roar. This is the color I use. Wait. Wait, Bella.
What?
I can do multi-guess.
Really?
Look.
Do it. Sign up.
I don't know how to do this.